Hey guys, I'm Hamza from Android Ultra and I hope you're well. In this video I'm going to share with you how to make 4K HDR smooth skin quality edit in Android like AE Adobe Effects. So as you can see here, this app is called Wink and we have required another app called Alight Motion, and I'm already covered this app a lot of times in my channel if you need to know in depth. So I'm provide the link in the description so you can check it out. So as you can see, I'm select HD quality option from the home screen of the Wink app and then select portrait enhancement. Portrait enhancement feature is VIP feature, but sometimes it's available LTO, mean limited time offer for free, and up to 5 videos you can enhance. If this feature is not available, portrait enhancement, so you can try Ultra HD. So after enhancement the video, simply open the Alight Motion app and provide you another link about the XML file for Alight Motion app. So simply import XML file in Alight Motion and then simply swap to your video or media file which you recently enhanced in Wink app. So if you don't know how to import XML file in Alight Motion, so please let me know in the comment section. I'm trying to make simple and to the point shorts tutorial on this topic. So as you can see here, I'm adjusting the layers. By the way, if you're enjoying this video, make sure you consider subscribe and also follow me on social media handles to get updates. Please consider subscribe because a lot of users watch and don't consider subscribe, so please consider subscribe. So now simply click on the video which you recently swapped underneath the layers and click on effects and add effect, then search saturation and vibrance and add this effect saturation and vibrance. Then simply set saturation around 25 to 30% and do not increase or decrease the vibrance. Set by default is good. So now I am opening the rectangle 1 and 2. As you can see here, I am already added exposure and gamma and other settings in rectangle 1 and 2. You can do according to your preference, but I do according to my video. So I will show you what I do. So after adjusting everything, so now simply again click on the video and add another effect called sharpen effect. Simply search here sharpen effect and adjust according to your preference and your video. Still any type of curious questions, so please let me know in the comment section. I'm trying to provide you one of the best and to the point video in very least time. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you're new to my channel, so please consider subscribe and also press the bell icon to get more videos like this one. See you soon in next video. Bye bye.